Right now, these three altcoins are doing something big. Quant just smashed through resistance with smart money pulling supply off exchanges. AAVE is riding DeFi surge with 12% yields and a bullish macro trend. And Wilder World? It's turning the Metaverse into a real economy, and the breakout has already begun. If you miss these setups, you might be too late. So, let's break them down, chart by chart, with zero fluff. Stick around to the end. I'll also show you how to turn this momentum into passive crypto income. Let's start with Quant, because this one is sending major signals. We just broke above the descending trend line, confirming a technical breakout. That level matches the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement and aligns with the visible VRVP gap. From here, we're eyeing $100, and if momentum holds, even $130 is in play for the short term. Heikin RSI is bullish and pushing into the upper zone, suggesting strong momentum. But what's really wild is what's happening behind the scenes. Exchange reserves have dropped from nearly 900,000 to just 222,000. Each drop marked on the chart triggered strong rallies. And guess what? We're seeing another decline right now. Could it be gateways? Institutional access? Something regulatory? This isn't just a chart move. It's a supply story, the kind that squeezes prices fast. Watch this chart closely. Next up, AAVE, DeFi Ultimate Comeback Kid. Take a look at this weekly chart. We're bouncing off the lower trend line of a clean ascending channel. HRSI is reversing from deeply oversold territory, while price is pushing toward the 0.236 fib at $180. If that breaks, we could hit the golden ratio at $290, later $400, and even $580. This level may correspond to the next overbought zone on the HRSI indicator. But this isn't just a bounce play. DeFi lending has exploded from 20% to 60% market share over the last 4 years. AAVE alone is now bigger than the entire centralized finance lending sector. This is the sector rotation smart money is already playing. And just look at this, 12% APY on Ethereum in AAVE's Avalanche market, massive utilization, over 91% with over $50 million locked. It's delivering top-tier yields while the rest of the market chases scraps. And if this kind of passive income excites you, staking, farming, airdrops, you need to check out my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's designed for crypto users like you who want long-term yield strategies, not just short-term noise. Link in the first pinned comment. It's only $4.99. Finally, let's talk Wilder World. This one's a bit under the radar, but not for long. We're seeing a clean breakout from a long-term descending trend line. Price reclaimed 15 cents and is testing upward support around the intersection of new trend lines. Immediate fib targets? 32 cents, 45 cents, and 56 cents. Heikin RSI is trending bullish again. The volume profile shows a vacuum up to 30 cents. This could run fast if demand kicks in. But the real alpha is why it's moving. They just released their full vision paper. 44,444 Unreal Engine plots. Combat, racing, metropolis-level economics, DAOs, AI, avatars with evolving identities, and their own custom tech stack, the Z-Chain. This isn't a metaverse narrative, it's execution. Wilder is building an on-chain player-owned economy, and Wild is the fuel. If this catches a bullish wave again, this breakout could become a full trend reversal. So, what did we just see? Quant is breaking out while reserves are collapsing, classic supply squeeze setup. AAVE is riding a macro narrative shift in DeFi, offering 12% yields and climbing for major support. Wilder World is entering price discovery with a product release that could redefine Web3 gaming. These aren't just altcoins, they're infrastructure, protocols, and economies in motion. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button. It really helps push this to more people. Comment which one you're watching closest, or if you're holding any of them already. And subscribe because tomorrow we're diving into more alphas and hidden gems. One last thing, don't forget the ebook DeFi Financial Freedom. It's packed with practical steps to build passive income through staking, yield farming, and more, without needing to be a tech expert. Link is in the first pinned comment. You're one click away from building real financial freedom with crypto. See you tomorrow.